Hello, this is Mr. Troxel again. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again for helping you to learn some of your concert music and giving you something musical to do over your time off from school. And so let's practice the song To Stop a Train. And so the movements for this one go as follows. To stop the train, in cases of emergency, pull down the chain, pull down the chain. Penalty for improper use, £5. Now, hopefully I remember that as I sing it. Ready. To stop the train in cases of emergency, pull down the chain, pull down the chain. Penalty for improper use, £5. Okay, and at £5 again, that's that penalty for paying for pulling that chain when it wasn't really a true emergency. So now we're going to do it as a round. I hope to sing it plan on singing it 3 times. And if I'm able to, I hope to do like a split screen thing where the other version of me will be on the other side singing the second part of the round. So here we go. Oops, sorry, that chair bumped the piano. 1, 2, here we go. To stop the train in cases of emergency, to stop the train in cases of emergency, penalty for improper use, £5. To stop the train in cases of emergency, to stop the train in cases of emergency, penalty for improper use, £5. To stop the train in cases of emergency, to stop the train in cases of emergency, penalty for improper use, £5. Penalty for improper use, £5. Okay, so there it is. Hope you can practice both part 1 and part 2. Yeah, so I guess that's it. If you would like to share a comment or like this video, or even better, subscribe to the channel, because I'm hoping to add more videos as the break goes on. Please feel free to do so. Usually they point down here, and I don't know if that's true or not, but I hope it is. And if it is, great. And if it's not, just wherever you find where it says the subscribe button down below. Okay, well, take care and enjoy your time off. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.